Hi guy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is 3M. Let's start. What is 3M? 3M is a Japanese word. There are three words: Mura, MURI and MUDA. Each and every word there is different meanings. These words we used in TPS, Toyota Production System, to eliminate and identify waste from our system. We used TPS system. Now, what is Mura? Mura. Mura means unevenness, irregularities, or inconsistency. Muri. Muri means unreasonable or overburdening. And the last and third one is MUDA. MUDA means waste. The waste, these are the 7 types. We describe it, the short form Timwood. The T, the first word, is the transportation. The I means inventory, M for motion, W for waiting, and O overproduction. Again O, this overprocessing, and last D is defect. So these are the 7 waste type of wastage. First is transportation. Transportation waste, we control, we prevent unnecessary transportation. Inventory, we can minimize minimum inventory. Motion wastage, we can control, we can reduce our motion losses. Waiting, overproduction and overprocessing. The 7th is defect. Defect, I define it. Defect can be through of all these points: through the man, through the material, through the method, through the machine, or mother, or measurement. We categorize these all wastage. First one is people or human waste. Overprocessing, motion and waiting. It is based on human or people waste. The second is quantity wastage. This transportation, overproduction and inventory. It's include all 3 wastage. And the last one is quality waste. As per name, this quality waste, the defects include quality wastage. So thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.